Alert, humanity needs to know this, temperatures of -70 degrees. Scientists say Earth will experience mini ice age in the 2030s. The world governments are not warning the world population. Subscribe to the channel. Planet Earth will enter a small ice age from 2030, according to UK scientists. The finding is based on a new model for predicting solar activity. Research presented by mathematics professor Valentina Zarkova, from the University of Northumbria, indicates a sharp drop in solar activity in the 2030s, causing a moderate cooling of the Earth. The conditions predicted by the new model have not been experienced by Earth since the last mini-ice age, recorded between 1645 and 1715 and which earned the nickname the Maunder Minimum, a period when temperatures were below average across Europe. At the time, European countries suffered from very harsh winters. The River Thames in England, for example, remained frozen for several weeks. According to a survey by scientists, solar activity may fall by 60% in this period, but scientists do not point out the possible consequences of this at a global level. They're taking all the grain out of Ukraine and putting it in bunkers. They used war as a false flag. The Sun is approaching a period of hibernation, Professor Zarkova told the British newspaper The Sun. Fewer sunspots will form on the solar surface and therefore less energy and radiation will be emitted to the planets and Earth. The reduction in temperature will result in cold climates on Earth, wet and cold summers, cold and wet winters. Possibly we will have major frosts, is happening now in Canada, where they see temperatures of -50 degrees Celsius. But this is just the beginning of the Great Solar Minimum and there is more to come in the next 33 years. Quote, this period will be marked by brutal temperatures, with freezing rivers in Europe and North America. Get ready now. Predictions that will drop your jaw to the ground when you find out what they predicted and how it could bring hundreds of thousands of deaths. What we're seeing is basically a change of climate, as past history shows, and we need to prepare for its arrival. Freezing temperatures, but also riots, earthquakes and probably numerous deaths if the cold spell continues, in what the Bible calls the tribulation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications, to receive new videos.